In this week's edition of the Business Review, the spotlight is on the real estate industry. Insurance company Guardian Life announced yesterday that its housing plans for New Kingston are well advanced. TVJ's Andrew Ledley has details.
The new housing complex called The Hampshire will be located close to Guardian Life's headquarters on Trafalgar Road in New Kingston. CEO of Guardian Life, Eric Hosin, says the project marks the company's entry into a new line of business.
We are about to complete our first real estate development, which was sold off in 1 week, a 66 apartment building near our head office. And we are now moving to have the launch of our second development, which is to be a 177 apartment unit, near to our head office.
He says with the new tax cuts to come on stream on April 1, he expects the real estate boom to further escalate.
We want to make the area look very close, to what we see when we go abroad in a city, a developing city. And I think this is going to be very well. The budget debate that took the reading by the Minister of Finance and the breaks that are going to take place, I believe, is going to help to grow and help us as an economy to develop.
And when quizzed about Guardian Life's plans as a real estate developer,
I think as an entity in Jamaica and looking for investments, we have to go beyond just government people. And so, we have to look at the stock market, we have to look at real estate and make wise development moves, because we know what has happened in the past. And so we want to make sure we don't repeat the mistakes of the past and make some positive move going forward to help our economy to grow.
Andrew Ledley, TVJ News.